Russia is a big and beautiful country. A lot of people travel to Russia every year. People from other countries like to take traditional Russian toys home as souvenirs. In the pictures, you can see Russian toys. They are the wooden toys, bears, horses or workers, the clay toys or dimkova toys, figures of people or animals, the stuffed toys like teddy bear. But the most popular traditional Russian toys are matryoshka dolls. They are a set of dolls of different sizes, colors and patterns. Many shops in Russia sell all traditional Russian toys. A lot of tourists buy them in souvenir shops in Moscow. But Russians like and buy them too. Just have a look. They are great.